Have you ever seen the videos of the animated animals on the YouTube like this or this one based on the duck and a rabbit tail? Look at this one based on the animated cat videos, and look at this one. This is on the another animal video and it has so many views, around the 7.9 million views, 6.6 million views. Look at this one. This is the New Groove channel, and here's it is also just a crazy video engagement here. So in this video I am going to show you the process how you can create these kind of the videos which are totally faceless. All you need are AI tool. With the help of you can turn your text prompt into these kind of the videos. I have also done that. Let me give you a demo first so I can show you. This is the full screen. See, this is the same quality of the video I have generated with the help of this AI tool. And in this video you will learn, along with this AI animated animals video, you can also create tons of other format or the visual style videos. For example, if I go to the dashboard of this channel, you will see we have the faceless short video, history for kids, science for kids, bedtime story, horror story. We have this famous quotes videos. So many visual formats we have available, and I have even tested out generating the few videos, and I am stunned because not only that it can generate the short videos like this channel we have, it can also generate the longer videos more than 2 or the 3 minutes. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video is going to be the really good video. In this I'm going to show you how you can create your faceless YouTube channel based on the AI videos, and you are going to use a single AI tool which can help you to generate the videos, add the voiceover, add the background music, and from the same platform you can even publish on your YouTube channel. So you have to don't juggle on the multiple tools like creating the videos, entering the prompt, creating the your music or the sound effect, then attaching them or the combining them into the one video. That is the thing. You don't have to do that with this single tool. This is all in one tool. So this is the Mootion, and I am so much amazed because the quality of the AI visuals. For example, right now I want to create a horror story. So simply I have to click here and I have to just get a prompt that I have to paste here, or I can also use the script in detail here. Then after that I have to select the visual style, and look at here we have the photorealistic, we have the 3D one that I have just showed you. So based on the 3D cartoon, you can see this is all the videos based on the 3D visual style here. So we can also create that, but we have also more, like we have the anime style, we have the hyper cartoon, we have the cinematic, then we have the 80s film style, we have the bold line. So many formats available for the visual. Then if I go to the my projects here, I can show you I have created tons of the videos while experiencing this tool here. So this is the video. Let me go to the history, and I have just played the video in front of you. So it is loading up, and this video is around the 2 minutes 24 seconds. Let me just full screen. Yeah, this is around the 2 minutes and 30 seconds video. Okay, and let me play the another one and show you out. So if I go to this one, go to the history, not only that you can create the short, but you can also the long video. So this is the another video I have created. Let me play it for you.
Once upon a time, there was a humble shepherd named Jacob. Jacob spent his days tending to his flock in the rolling hills.
So this is all the trendy styles I am showing you right now. There's the another one. Let me play this one here. Okay, so you can see this is on the horizontal format. So we have all the formats available, whether it's your shorts reel style, that is the vertical, this is the horizontal. Okay, so let me play it for you.
Long ago, there was a group of fierce warriors known as the Vikings.
They came from the cold, northern lands of Scandinavia, which include modern-day Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. The Vikings lived more than 1,000 years ago, but their stories are still told today. The Vikings
If
were
you
known
have
for their
checked out
long...
carefully, you can see we have the visual, we have the voiceover, and there's also the background music. So this is the video. Suppose you want to publish on your YouTube channel, so you don't have to just download this video and then go to your YouTube channel and upload it. You have to simply click here on the share. We have the YouTube channel integration available. Simply click here and now you will be the integrated with your channel, directly publishing from this platform to your channel. So that is also a good part. We have the summary available, we have the hashtags, we have the script, all this stuff available. So right now let me give you a detailed demo how you can create your first video using the Mootion, and I'm going to create a visual style according to these channel videos that we have the so many examples available. So I'm going to combine a story making around a cat and a rabbit here. So I have created the script using the chat GPT. You can see this is the script and I have my character design available, I have my story available, so all this stuff available. So simply I am going to copy it. Okay, so you can see title the brownie and Snowy the river adventure. The title is really hooking and you can see this is for the kids, the target audience, art style. Okay, so make sure you give the prompt in the detail, otherwise the AI tool that you are going to use to generating the videos can be the complicated around the thing that you want to generate here. Okay, so I'm going to copy all this stuff. Okay, simply copy. Now let me go to the Mootion platform and here I have to click on the generate. Now once I have done that, I have to select what kind of the story I want to or the video I want to generate. So this will for the kids, so I will simply go with through this one, that is the general creation. Okay, now I have to enter the prompt or use my current content, or I can even use my own voiceover. Okay, so there's the 5 minutes upload limit, so you can add up to the 5 minutes voiceover. So I will go with the generate from a prompt and simply paste my prompt here that I have just copied from the chat GPT. Okay, so after that you have to select the AI avatar, or you can select your output language and the tone. So I will go with the children's. Okay, then the language I will go with the US English, but we have the multi language formats available. Then I can select the AI avatar, so I don't want to any AI avatar. Then we have the ratio, whether you want it in the 9:16 ratio or 16:9 ratio. So I will go with the horizontal format here, and after that you have to select the visual style. Let's go with the 3D cartoon because these all videos are the 3D cartoon format. Okay, then after that you have to simply click here on the generate. Now based on the prompt and the script you have given, it is going to generate the visual storyline with the consistent characters, and you will be amazed because you can also select the background music, you can select the animated style, the transitions, and even the background effects here. So this is all the stuff here. Right now after generating the scenes you can select, so we have to wait for the few minutes. You can see right now the 20% is done, but we still need to wait for a few seconds, so please wait and have the patience. So right now what you can see here, we have the storyline building out, we have the scenes. So this tool, what it do, it will generate the scenes and those scenes you can animate here. So every scene has a visual image, then there's some text here. So what I liked here, it can generate the so many scenes that can make your video longer than the 1 minute. So most of the AI tools just generate the videos under the 60 seconds, or what you can see the short videos, not the longer videos with the consistent character design. But this tool perfectly tackle that. We have this scene available, we have this kid or the just kitten here, and look at the consistency of the character. Here's the brown skin, the brown color of the cat. Then you can see this is the again the same character on the another scene. Then look at here the rabbit, this is the same consistent character design here. Okay, so right now this is all the images, every image is the scene with the sum of the storyline. So I got around the something 30 scenes, yeah, this is the 30 scenes of the video. Now what I can do, I can simply click here on the next, and these images scenes will be turned into the video. But I want the animation, I want to move the character, I want to check out their true video format in some action of this character. So what I will do here, I will simply click here on the animate all. So simply when I click here on the animate all, it will show me how many the credits it is going to burn from my account. So creating the longer videos, you need the longer credits or the higher credits limit. So what I suggest, you can select these scenes that you actually want to be animated. So I will select this one and simply click here on the animate, and this scene will be the start animating out. And then again I will click here and I want to be animated this scene, so I will again click here on the animate. Okay, so once you have animated all these scenes, let me show you how the video looks like. Okay, so I have already created the video on this one. Let me go to my download section, and after that you can see the video here. Okay, so let me play the video. Okay, and I'm really amazed with the quality here. So this is how you can create the animated animal videos using the Mootion here. And not only that, like I said, we have also the so many other formats available you can select from and start creating the videos. Then we have also the few AI tools in this platform. Like you want to remove the background from the images, there's the tool. There's also the image style transfer, and in the my projects you can find out all of your animated videos or the generated videos that you can start check out. And if you want to do some changes, you can do it here. Okay, then you can also upload your some of the images, visual styles or the videos in the my media, and this is the gallery section showing out all the AI generated videos on this platform users have generated. So you can get some inspiration or the idea what kind of the stuff you can do with the Mootion here. So this is the video. I have showed you how you can start your Faceless YouTube videos using just one single tool. You don't need the multiple tools. Okay, this tool has all of the features and the stuff you really needed to start creating these kind of the videos on the channels I have just giving you the example while starting the video. Okay, and if I talk about how much they are earning, so I have just go to the social blade, I have entered their YouTube channel name, and after that I have found out they are earning the every month thousands of dollars. For example, this channel is earning around the 1,000 to 13,000 every month. So if I want to check out some another one, for example this channel here, like the Roro and the Dodo Tales, so I will simply copy the channel name and I will go to here, enter, and after that I will find out this YouTube channel. Okay, and here you can see this channel is earning around the 2.4k to 38,000. So I know this is not the 100% correct, but even if we go with the minimum one, that is the 2.4k every month, this is the huge. You don't have to do any manual tasks like the recording studio, the animation team. You don't need that. You just need the one single tool. So right now if I talk about its pricing, this is so much affordable with the lifetime deal available on the app Sumo, starting from the just $69. Suppose you have your own AI tool with the lifetime access here in just $69. This is really the affordable pricing. So if I go to till the end, we have the 3-tier plans, and the every tier plan has the higher credit per month. Like I suggest and told you, every video longer video, you need the higher credit. That's why I suggest go with at least the tier 2 and the tier 3 because we have the higher credit limits. Okay, and if you want my prompt styling, how I just create these kind of the prompts, that the bonus file I will give you if you are going to buy the lifetime deal of the Mootion. So check out the lifetime deal and the prompts bonuses in the description of this video, you will find there. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you have any questions and want to know about more in detail about the Mootion, there's the dedicated video on my channel, so make sure you also check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you also check out the bonuses file and the lifetime link in the description. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.